Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and having a great time at your home. This is your teacher Rosina of subject Social Studies for class 6. I welcome you to another lecture. So let's begin with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial. So take out your geography books, page number 25. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the different planets of our solar system. Today, we will be discussing the further planets of our solar system. I will be telling you about the main points in all the paragraphs in your textbooks. Your task will be to go through the all paragraphs and you have to read the paragraphs. So number first is Mars. Okay, we have discussed about the Mercury. We have discussed about the Mercury, the Venus and Earth. Now we are going to discuss about Mars. Now Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system and it is about 0.107 Earth masses. It is smaller than the Earth and its size is about 0.107 as compared to the Earth, and it is red in color and it has a huge amount of iron oxide in its soil. Now it has the surface or the ground of this planet or the elements present on this planet, they contain a large amount of iron oxide. Iron oxide is one of the chemical. And unlike the Earth's atmosphere with oxygen that is so important for life, the atmosphere of Mars mostly contains carbon dioxide. Now Earth has mostly oxygen while Mars has mostly carbon dioxide, and it has volcanoes, and also the geological activity is also being found on this planet Mars. Geological activity means that the presence of the mountains or volcanoes or the impact craters. I have told you what impact craters are. Impact craters are a sort of the holes in the surface. So there are the geological activities found on the Earth, Mars, and carrying on until 2 million years ago, and these geological activities are present on this planet Mars for about 2 million years ago, and it is small. It has two relatively small moons, and they are called tiny natural satellites. Our Earth has one moon, one natural satellite, while it has two tiny natural satellites, means it has two small moons. Then we have Jupiter. Jupiter is one of the huge planets of our solar system, and it has about 67 moons or 67 natural satellites. It is bigger than the Earth, and it is 2.5 times bigger than the Earth. It is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium are the gases. They are the different gases, and it has one of the largest moon, and its name is Ganymede. So it has one of the largest moon, and this moon Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system, and it has a it is larger than planet Mercury and has a magnetic field of its own. Now it is larger than the Mercury, right? It is also larger than the planet Mercury as well. It is larger than the Earth as well. Jupiter's strong internal heat creates semi-permanent features in its atmosphere such as cloud bands, and it has volcanism and internal heating just like the first four planets. Now it has its own heat as well, because it has the two gases. It has hydrogen and it has helium. So it produces its own internal heating system. It has its own temperature, it has its own heat, and it has the volcanism, means it has the system of, or it has the process of volcanoes as well, and it has its own internal heating.